Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's not going to be a very long video because today we're just going to be doing some test runs on my Inline 2 engine. So previously, I upgraded the pistons, but I actually replaced them. So these are the old ones, as you can see. They have this part here on the side. It's a 2x1 with a hole, and then this like half kind of brick to make sure it doesn't tilt. But this brick, it's not tall enough, so it would still sometimes, if it got caught on one of the pieces inside of the cylinder walls, it would still go like this kind of. So I actually replaced them. Now, as you can see, there's a full brick stopping it, but what I changed is I made it to where this part on the side right here, I moved it inside a little bit so it's not actually touching the cylinder walls. So it's actually quite a bit better than these, which is really nice. It's really smooth now too. But you might be wondering where my throttle body is. I took it off because it takes off a little bit of RPM, and in this video I'm going for all the RPM. I also took off the flywheel parts, so yeah. I think we're going to be getting a lot of RPM in this video, but yeah, let's get started.